Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D Tech, and this is the unboxing of the TP-Link 5-port Gigabit Desktop Switch. Now, first of all, let us remove this packaging here, this plastic membrane, and check closely the box itself and all the specification of this desktop switch. Now here we have it. There's a total of 5 ports for Ethernet cables, and this is a business solution, so that must be hassle-free. This is plug and play up to 1000 megabits per second, and it supports various devices like a NAS and an IPTV. This is a great budget solution for businesses. One can buy more than one because of its low cost, and this has a lifetime warranty, so that adds to the total value of this product. So let's go and open this box and check closely the product itself. So we have to open it sideways like that. So it seems that we have to drag this outside the box like it's so, and it's not that easy, like that. And here we have all the manuals. Here's the installation guide. This is quite simple and tiny. Everything is in various languages. That's nice. And here we have an installation guide and a manual. You should check this one for all the details needed. They are here. And the way to connect this one with your router. Usually the first one is the connector one. Here we also have a troubleshooter guide, some questions, and the technical specifications here. And you might find some solutions to your problem if you check one of these manuals and frequently asked questions. So do not hesitate to read this manual. Now let's go to the switch itself. There is a heavy build. Okay, here we have it. This is quite nice. I really like it. Here we have the power in. This is a 5-volt input to power the switch. Here we have a Kensington lock. You can mount it on a wall with these indentations, and the full body is essentially metal. I really like this build. A total of 5 Ethernet ports, and one is a link. For heat dissipation we also have some airway holes on both sides. Now rubberized feet are needed to be placed on a surface. I think they are included. Okay, here they are. Now you just have to stick each one of them in its circle, and that way you won't scratch any surface, and you will keep eventually the switch stable on your desk. This is a sticky pad, and you stick it like that. And yet we have another one. This is another one that's really sticky, and now we place it inside the circle. Now these were not pre-installed, since we can wall mount it from here, and you can also attach it with some wood screws on the side of the table. So we just have to add the rest of the pads here. It's a boring procedure, but it has to be done if you want it to be stable. And that's the last one, like that. And now I guess this is really stable. Nothing can move it that far away. That's fine. Now this isn't needed, nor this one. And here we have the power adapter. You just have to unwrap it here. Here we have it. You just have to plug it on a wall socket or an extension, and of course connect the other end to the switch. The cable seems fairly long. That's always a plus for me, but you might need some extension cable for the power besides the long Ethernet cables. And this is typically long, and you just have to connect it with the power socket here, like that, and it's ready to go. So this was the unboxing of the TP-Link 5-port desktop switch. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.